Morning taking its time, light on the floor. Nothing rushing forward out the door. Coffee getting warmer, sun on my face. Feels like the day found its pace. Curtains drifting softly, wind in the room. Birds along the rooftop singing a tune. Shoes by the doorway, waiting their turn. Somewhere in the quiet, the hours begin. Maybe the best days start this way, easy and slow, finding their way. Slow start, good day, light in the sky, everything opening little by little in time. Slow start, good day, breathing it in. Sometimes the calm is where days begin. Slow start, good day, soft and free. Let the hours arrive naturally. People on the sidewalk move it along. Someone through a window humming a song. Clouds over the city drifting away. Every little moment building a day. Nothing perfect, nothing planned. Still the morning fits in my hand. Slow start, good day, light in the sky, everything opening little by little in time. Slow start, good day, breathing it in. Sometimes the calm is where days begin. Slow start, good day, soft and free. Let the hours arrive naturally. Some days bloom without a sign. Quiet beginnings turn out fine. Morning taking its time, some on the way. Turns out the calm made a good